Hello friend, in today's video tutorial you are going to learn about a simple web page, designing a simple website designing. You can design, this is your open office application, and there are various options here for creating text document, for creating a spreadsheet, a presentation, formula, drawing. Now we'll select this one, text document, and here we'll go new. From the file menu we'll select the HTML document. From this is your workspace for designing a simple web page. You can design a simple web page here, and in this coding, HTML coding, the HTML coding is done at the back end automatically. You don't need to remember the tags and other things. All these things are done automatically at the back end. Again we will go to this page. Here we have this print layout view, web layout, HTML source. You can see the HTML source. This is the HTML source. This is, again you can go to this web layout. You can insert, suppose you are writing Ragvi, tutorial, tutorials. So if you see here, if you see the HTML source Ragvi tutorials, it is written here. It is automatically being coded and inserted. This is your tag, paragraph text. Now again you go to HTML source. Here if you design it bold, suppose you make it bold, you bring it in the center, and you can change the size of this font, 54 or 20, and you can change the font also. And now if you see the HTML coding, here everything, the font face, font size, font style for this Ragvi tutorials is being automatically updated. Now again we will go to HTML source. Here we can insert a table. Here insert, you can insert a table or a frame. You can insert a frame for your pictures or type. You can select the size of the frame. Okay, this is your frame. So this frame you can use it for inserting a picture. You have to keep your pictures designed for inserting here. You can design your pictures in other softwares like GIMP, etc., and you can design all the sorts of web buttons, menu buttons, etc. Here also you can insert a table, and you can insert a table of 5 columns and 5 rows without border. Okay, now here again you have this one. Now you can design, you can suppose these are your 5 options you can select buttons for this area. You can select you can insert a frame also here. For if you want to insert a button, you can insert a frame here, and you can specify the size of the button. You can link this, you can give a hyperlink also here. Here you have, suppose you want to create a hyperlink, you can create a hyperlink here. See, this is the document path, the target, the URL address. If the document path is here, you can select the document path. This is your target, this is your format, this is your blank if you want to open the page in a new window. So there are various options here. You can click here, you can merge this cell, and you can write, you can here merge the cell, and you can write here the details. This is a software. You have got a lot of features here: formatting, anchor, and autocorrect, group options, flip options. In the table options, you have insert, delete, insert rows, table, row, columns, delete a row, column, or table. See here, you have inserted the picture, and you can even insert pictures from from file, movie or sound, or object, formula or chart. You can insert a chart also. Here you can insert a chart, and you can save this file, save as index.html, save, yes. And now you can view it here. If you see it, preview in browser, you can preview the page you have designed here in the web browser, how it will look on the net or in a browser. You can see that this is your page. It has been designed, and there are many other things also to which you can add. You can give your web page a very good design. You can insert movies, sounds also. You can insert scripts here, objects, plugins, value objects, formula, etc., and wrap. So this is a simple application for designing a simple website, and this can help you in learning the basics of web designing, web page development. You can even see the HTML code also. Here see, the HTML code is being coded automatically. You don't need to remember the tags, etc. This is software. What you see, what you get. So whatever you design here, that is what you will get in the result, in the preview. Thank you.